Well, hello everybody. My name is Jay Patel and welcome to Fundu Programming. This is my first video in MuleSoft. Now, let's create a Hello World program in MuleSoft. Before we start a programming, you have to download some important resource. First, Anypoint Studio 6.1, second MuleSoft, third 3.8 and third Postman as a testing tool. If you don't have that resource, then download it. I provide a link for that below on this video. Now start it. First click on File, then New, then on Mule Project. Now I give a name like Hello World, and you can see here I using this Mule Server 3.8. Now hit finish. So our program is created successfully. Now here you can see here there's a blank area. It's our work area when we can create our application. This is called a message flow, and this one is a global element. Here we can define a global data which is used in our whole application as a globally. But in this video we are not using so we don't have to create this one, and this is called a configuration XML. Whatever we have to drag it and drop it on message flow, like here there's whatever the data are we are put at here, its display is in XML format in here XML configuration XML. So you can configure this palettes or whatever this connector using this configuration XML. We can see that later. Now we go back to our main goal. There's a create a Hello World program. Hello World program, we need a connector. So we are here. That's a mule palette. So here are so many that's type of elements like connectors, security, filter, scope, and etc. But we need a connector, so I typed as a HTTP. I need a HTTP connector. So I type HTTP, just take it from here and drop it here. Right? Now double click on this. After double clicking, you can see here there's an important property here display here. There are so many properties, but we are focused on connector configuration, and here on this plus sign click on this, and here is one wizard is pop up, and you can see here there's an important thing is pod. On this pod our application are run. So this pod is the bucket for this application. If you have faced some problem after clicking using this pod 8081, then you can change this pod as much as per you like, because if this pod is not available for you, that means that in your machine there another application use this one pod. So don't worry about that, you can change it as per you like. Now I take a 8081 pod because my machine for my machine it's allocated. So I hit OK, and there is no error, so save it. Now there is another important setting property we have to set. There's a basic setting on this path. So I set this path like I give this name is hello world. Okay. Now this another property is allowed methods. So in allowed method I can use or define many methods like get, post, put, page, delete, connect, etc. But on this, as per this application, I use just get method. So I type get and save it. Okay. Now we need a payload for message. So I type here that is set payload. So I take it from here and drop it at here. Okay. On payload. Before we set this payloads property, I tell you that payload can be a literal string or mule expression. So using that we can set a payload for a particular request and send a response as a payload. So So here in the value, you can see here there's a value property. We set some message like hello world, hey Jay, welcome. Now I save this. After they are saving this successfully, it show us there are no errors. Now right click at here on message flow, and you can see there's a run project. So click on that. After clicking, you can see here there's a console are running at here. After run this program, our console is show us that's deployed, means it's deployed successfully. If it is not deployed at that time, its display at here is failed, but it's deployed, so it's deployed successfully. Now we have to test this application is working or not, so we have to test it through a Postman. So for Postman we have to go, I use this Google Chrome. Now open this Postman. I already opened this Postman. Now you can find the Postman. It's in here. There's an app. It's loading. And here you can see there's Postman. So click on that, and you can directly go at here. I type this URL, this HTTP localhost 8081 port, and this we are already we are set in HTTP connector, which is we can see it here. That's we are already give a path like, sorry, my bad, hello world. Now after this giving this whole URL, now we send a request. So I send this request. Successfully, that's a hello world, hey Jay, welcome. It's so our first hello world program is created successfully. I hope you will like this video. If you have some query or want to learn something new topics, so please comment it below, and we make it video in a fun way for you. So like it, comment it and share it. And for more updation, for more fun do videos, you can subscribe it. Thank you.